So these are the items you will need to create the base, which is super easy to make and also very affordable. The hula hoop was the largest size I could find, and it measures 30 inches in diameter. And there we have our painted base, and let the fun begin. Cut through the pool noodle like that and attach it to the hula hoop centerpiece. So I bought 2 pool noodles, but I ended up using 1.5. I firmly secured the pool noodles to the hula hoop with zip ties by adjusting as tightly as I could. Cut off the unwanted protruding zip ties with scissors. Then I went ahead to wrap the wisteria garlands around my centerpiece. I didn't use anything to support the wisteria garlands because the wisteria stem is made of a wire, which I used to poke through the pool noodle. So that's the wire vine I used to poke through like that for support. I then went ahead to add my flowers to my centerpiece that are a combination of foam roses and peonies. I will be linking the supply links in the description box for your convenience. I've also done a video where I share where I mostly buy my flowers from. I think I'll be linking it at the end of this video. Do check it out. You want to push your flowers all the way down to make sure that you have that nice extra something juicy look. Because it's an extravagant centerpiece we are creating, we'll go extra on the flowers as well. I then added some greeneries, that is eucalyptus leaves as well as tropical leaves. I went on to add artificial candles inside the transparent bowls that I hanged to the centerpiece using fishing wire. I should have done this process before adding the flowers to the poo noodles, but hey, it is what it is. So the pattern was to make one bow longer than the other two.